Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have another haul for you guys, and as you can see here, it's from Frank Garcia's studio. I'm super excited. These are some new items from his shop. So let's go ahead and open it. And of course, he gives a coupon, which is always nice. Okay, so I saw this on his website and oh my gosh, I had to have it. I've actually been waiting for this, and I discovered this new collection from Crepe Paper when I think I was just browsing on scrapbook.com. Anyway, as soon as I saw that Frank was carrying it, I had to get it. So I didn't get everything because some of the items that I wanted were sold out already. And yeah, so I guess it went pretty quickly, but check again because he might have some of it back in stock. I don't know, but this came super quick. And of course that's because I'm not that far away from his studio. Okay, so anyway, this is called Fresh Bouquet, and so I did get the 6x8, and it has some gold foiling in it, so of course I love that. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this is a good fall paper. So you have pink and gold. As you can see, the colors are darker. It kind of reminds me of the last crepe paper that came out, which was it the Magical Forest? I didn't get it though. Look how pretty this is. And I always love getting the 6x8 because of the foiling. And then you have some bows. So yeah, it just reminds me of the Magical Forest. I don't know if the colors are the same. It also reminds me of Heritage, like the color palette is very similar. So these are a little dark, but you know, still pretty. So look at this one. I just love all the specialty papers. And it doesn't look like it repeats, so it looks like there's 24 different sheets. Then I also got the stickers, so there's only 7 in it, and this is $3.99. I'm sorry, this one was $8.99. But he always has coupons, so make sure you guys use your coupons. And this is the they're like puffy stickers, I think. And then I also got the paper clips. You get 6 of them, as you can see here. Really, really pretty. And then I did get the, oh sorry, and that one was $4.99. Then I got the sticker sheet. This is the 6x12 sticker sheets. And then you also get the other side here. Isn't that pretty? And then these are the thickers, and you get quite a bit. And they're all flowers. So I need to go get the ephemera, but I'll just wait on that because there's some other things that I need to that I want to get from his store. So this one is foil vellum. So I didn't know it was vellum, but it's really pretty. $1.99. And I could have sworn it was less than $1.99 though. Oh well. This is the Ever After. So these are the 12 by 12 sheets. I think I got all of them, if I'm not mistaken. So there's that one. There's this one's called Treasured. There's the back. This one's called Keepsake. Heartfelt. Flutter. So again, these are darker colors, which I don't like to work with dark colors that much, but for fall, I don't mind. What is this one called? Gardens. Fern. This one's Flora. Super, super pretty. Wild Rose. Blooming. And then I did get the cut aparts. This is Charmed. So really, really pretty. And the back looks like that. So that is it. That is my small haul from Frank Garcia Studio. So check it out, guys. I'll leave the link in the description box, and thanks for watching. Bye.